Lot 244 is the 1956 Austin-Healey 100M factory Le Mans. The raked windshield louvers and hood strap tell us this is a 100M, one of the 640 built. This one we understand have been built by the factory itself. Most recently owned by Healey experts Tom and Randy Rock. The car has been treated to a full restoration and it retains all its original 100M features. Proper ID numbers can be found all over, from the body panels to the cold air box. A Healey 100M factory Le Mans.
Thank you very much, Alan. What did we say? Let's open it here at $100,000. You'd like to start me at 100. Thank you, sir. 100,000 I have. 125 anywhere in the room now at $100,000. I'm selling here already. No reserve here to be sold at $100,000 only, ladies and gentlemen, and selling already at just $100,000 then. It's going here for the first time, and I'm going to sell. Make absolutely no mistake at just 100. 125. 120, is that a bid? Yep, 125,000. From the very, very back of the room, from the depths of the room. We should have you sit closer to me next time, sir. At 125, I don't bite, I promise. At 125,000, do I have $150,000 now? At 125,000, 150 if you like. Well, I'm selling to the depths of the room at $125,000 only, and it's going 150. Thank you on the internet. At 150, 175, sir. Where have you gone? Is that a yes? At 150, it's against you. The bid's here on my right. Do I have $175,000 from you? Well, I'm going to sell the car, and it's going for the first time. At $150,000 on my right here, it's going for the second time. For the third and the last time, at just 160. 160. Do I have 170 from either of you? At 160,000, then I'm selling. At 150,000, then 60,000, excuse me, I'm selling. 170, thank you. 170,000, 180 now. At 170, then for the first time. At 170, then for the second time. Third and last time. 175, 180 now. 180 now. We're at $175,000 then. Do I have 180? Well, 175,000, then it's going for the first time. It's going for the second. 180. 185 if you like, sir. 185, thank you. 185, 190 now. 190. We're at $185,000. The bid's right here in front of me. At $185,000, and it's selling for the first time. It's selling for the second, third, and last time at $185,000. All done, all finished. Sold your car, well done. $185,000.